How to forward message in WhatsApp to more than 5. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can forward messages in WhatsApp to more than 5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to forward messages on WhatsApp to more than 5 people, it's actually a little bit tricky to do this. Normally you can try to create a group and do this, but if that is not what you want to do, what you can try to do instead is to tap on the plus bar from the top right, then select the option called new broadcast. So when you select new broadcast and then you simply search for the people that you want to add over here, which could be more than 5 people. Here doesn't really have to be one person only, so you can add as much people as you want to, and once you've done that you should be able to go ahead and then basically select them. So I will go ahead and select any of these options here, and let me also go ahead and select other people. Once done, I can tap on the create option. Then now I can send a message in this particular list, and this way I'll be able to send messages on WhatsApp to more than 5 people. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.